So we have two types of pandesal today. This one is made from the soft bun, and this is the one without eggs and using margarine. That's the malunggay pandesal. Tuna pandesal. This is the Spanish bread. The hot dog buns. Pandelito. Asado and egg bun, and the plain hamburger buns. So this is our Spanish bread. So we have two different sizes because there's two students doing this.
Diba? Yung loob ng tinapay.
The next time you buy bread, bili kayo ng gardenia. Pagbukas nyo ng bag, amoyin ninyo. Iba yung amoy niya. Sige, another, ayan. Isa pang tray. Yung pinakauna, I think, the pandesal with the malunggay. Ayan.
Hindi siya nag-ano.
At saka hindi siya bilog. Okay lang. Okay, so ayan ang mauna na day 1 na breads. So these are all 2 kilos, ano? 2 kilos to lahat ng bread na to. So this is what's left of the breads today. This is our malunggay pandesal. Look at how soft it is. Very, very soft. And the plain pandesal, look at how soft. This has no eggs. This recipe has no eggs. This is the dinner rolls or the pandelitos. Look at how soft and delicate. This is the same dough for the hot dog and hamburger buns. Very, very soft. And some of the other breads, the Spanish bread, the hot dog buns, and the special pandesal with eggs, because this one has no eggs. And I'm eating for lunch the pandesal with tuna. It's the tuna. It's the delicious. Very delicious. The tuna with dill. Very soft. And this is the one with the asado and egg. Doesn't have a lot of filling, but just for practice. I like the malunggay pandesal. I'm going to eat it with some of the leftover tuna filling, sandwich filling. And that's it for our day 1 of class. I harvested some arugula to eat with some of the breads because it's 3 p.m. and it's now my lunch time. These are some of the breads that we made today for day 1 of our class. This is the dinner rolls or the pandelitos. This dough has 2 eggs. The malunggay pandesal, very, very soft. And this is the plain pandesal. Look at how soft it is. Okay. So we did 2 kilograms of dough today, but this one doesn't have eggs and it's still very soft, and this one has eggs. So a total of 9 types of breads today. So this is the pandesal with eggs, and this has no eggs. We did the Spanish bread, the hot dog buns, The students already went home with their share of the breads for today. This is the asado with not much filling inside because you know, the students are just practicing, so they don't know how to fill the bread properly with fillings. And my favorite is the buns with a lot of sesame seeds. But what I'm going to eat today is the tuna pandesal. Look at how soft it is. Very, very soft. Yum.